Hello there, everyone. This is Martin, and I'm just producing a very short video on a very important aspect. If you want to ever get in touch with me and you want to send me a screenshot of your chart and you want to find out more about your trade and you want me to analyze your trade, it's probably best to send me a screen capture of your chart, and I'm going to show you how to do that with this video. Now, the first thing that you want to do, obviously, is on your chart, you want to place some text, some notes to help me understand what you're trying to do, and we're going to do that right now. So, I'm looking at the New Zealand daily chart, and I'm going to actually put that on my chart just to let you know how I do that. So I'm going to put on the text, this is a New Zealand US daily chart, and then some other notes on a possible entry, stop loss, and other things. And we're going to do this step by step, okay? So to put labels or text or any other information on the chart, what you want to do is go to the area above your chart. You can see that right here. We want to click on Insert, then we want to click on Text, then we want to drag our mouse to a place on the chart. We want to place the text. You can see my mouse cursor has changed, shows the plus ABC sign or symbol. You can see that. So just click anywhere right there, perhaps. Okay, and then click on OK. We're going to now add, I'm sorry, not click on, but we go to the text. You can see that right here on this area, and then just erase that. And then let's type on New Zealand USD daily for a daily chart. We're going to make the text letters really big. So we're going to go to 18 here. The gray's fine. If we want to change the color, that's fine. Then click on OK. Okay, and let's take a look right up here. Okay, this is where I clicked on initially on the chart. Click on OK, and voila, you can see we have New Zealand USD daily. That's now on the chart. So let's say we want to add something else below that. Okay, we just want to, again, go to the left side right here, insert text, drag the mouse over, the mouse cursor over right there. You can see below the New Zealand USD. I'm going to click on right there. Okay, you can see text, and this window opens up. We're going to backspace or to erase that, and then we're going to put on buy trade. Okay, because I'm going to place a buy trade, and I want to show you where my buy trade entry is, where my stop loss is, and so on. So once we've done that right there, the one thing I'm going to do next, I'm going to change the size of the letters into a smaller size, so a 14. Here we had an 18 font size. That's what it's called, a font size, or for the text size here, we're going to go a little bit smaller. So I clicked on 14, click on OK. Okay, you can see that. Now, I want to place this just below the New Zealand USD. You can actually click on any text and drag it to wherever you want. So what you do is double click it. You see the box, put it right over to here, drag it over, and then click it again, double click, and the box comes away. Double click, so I've got a box. I drag it over here, double click, and there we go. So it's a buy trade I want. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to indicate right on the chart where I took a buy trade, my stop loss, and so on and so forth. Okay. Okay, to put some other information on a chart to indicate, let's see, where I am placing a buy trade, there's several options for you available. One, you can go again to the top of the chart, go to your toolbar on top and click on the trend line button. I clicked on that. I'm dragging it to a chart. You can see the trend line. And let's say I wanted to place a buy trade, or I did place a buy trade right about there. So I just dragged that. Now you're going to have to play around with this. Okay. right there. So right about there, my stop loss, if you want to continue with the trend line idea, my stop loss is right there. Okay, so you can double click, you can see the little box handles there, double click to take them off. So here is my entry, my stop loss, and let's say I am anticipating a target, first target, profit target a little higher. So I'm just going to show you that right now. So let's say okay, if we go past the candles, you won't get the squiggly line. There you go. So just draw the trend line past, start before the actual candles here, and then draw your horizontal line across. So again, this is your entry, stop loss, and that. And then you would have to let me know if you're sending me a chart. You'd have to let me know what the prices were on your entry, your stop loss, and that. Another way to do that, and this is even better. It's even more of a professional look. Is go again to the top of your chart. Okay, and just a second. Okay, take a look. We're at the top of the chart at the toolbar here, or at the menu actually. Click on Insert. Click on Arrows right here, or scroll down till you get to Arrows. You got a little side menu that shows, and click on Right Price Label if you want. So just click on that, drag it over, okay, and somewhere on your chart, there you go, and just let go. And the price right here is 69,339. Now, what I want to do next is take this and show you the actual entry. So I double click on that, so you can see that little box right there. You can now drag it, you can place it here, or if you didn't have this trend line, you can just put it right here. So that would be your entry, okay? And of course, dragging your mouse, you may not be able to get the exact entry as indicated below in your terminal window below the chart. So what you do is when you see this little white box here, you right click on that, okay, which I just did. You open up the arrow properties. Now the value, this is the entry. So you want to change that. Okay, so let's say 67, 8 AT44, which was your exact entry as indicated below in the terminal window. You click on that, and this automatically moves there. So that would be your entry, okay? Now, your stop loss, again, I want to show you where the stop loss was. And again, I would go above my chart to the left to the menu, click on Insert, okay? Click on the arrows, find the right price label, click on the right price label and drag it to the chart. Let's take a look here. Okay, I did that. And I'm going to click there. And this 66844 was not my stop loss. Uh, it was actually, let's say, I'm going to double click. See, I get a little white box. Right click, arrows property, change it to 6681. Okay, I can just leave it at that. You can see that right here. Click on OK, and there you go. So this was my stop loss, my entry, and my target. We could do the same thing. Go above your chart to the insert, click on the insert tab, scroll down to the arrows, look for the right price label, click on that, and just drag your mouse cursor to the chart. And let's say my target is 69,257. Okay, so those are the three numbers that I need. If you're going to send me some information on a chart, this is what I need. You can even go as far as doing this. If you want me to be absolutely certain, just go right back to above your chart, click on Insert, back to Text. Okay, take your mouse over, and let's do this. I'm going to click right there. Okay, I clicked right there beside the entry 67844. I'm going to go to my text, and this time, just so that I want to be absolutely sure that you understand, I'm going to type in entry, that this was my entry. Click on OK. There you go. There's my entry, and there you go. So entry by default, this would be if it's a buy trade. See, I'm telling you that I did take a buy trade, so my entry is here. The stop loss obviously would be below my entry, my buy entry, below the previous swing low right there. You can see that, and obviously by default, the first target price has to be above my buy entry. So I'm targeting. I will be closing my trade if my trade goes up to the 69.25.7 level. So that's how I put information on the charts. And the next thing you want to do is you want to be able to take a screen capture. You want to save it and then send it to me, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, I'm back at the chart. You want to go to the menu above your chart. Go right to File, right over here. Click on File. Then scroll down and look for Save as Picture. You can see that, Save as Picture. Click on that. This will come up, okay? Another menu will come up, a window here. And what you want to do is just click on, make sure this is the button is clicked, Active Chart as Is. I mean, there are other options, but this is the one I normally use, Active Chart as Is. Make sure there's a check mark right here beside the post image online in MQL5 chart service and get the link. So make sure that there's a check mark there, okay? Okay, and the final thing we want to do is just click on OK here. So again, make sure this is engaged active chart. Just click on that check mark right here beside this information where it says get the link. Click on OK, and bingo bango, another huge window shows up. Okay, just a second. So this new window will show up right here with all your information. This is the chart you want to send me. Go to your right side, uh, just toggle that sidebar down until you see this. And again, I'm just going to move my video over. So below this chart, okay, again, I'll show you. This was the chart up here below. Scroll down on the right side of your computer so you can see this. This is below, and what you want to do is see you've got all these options here. These are all the links, but you want to just click on the image. This turns blue, okay? And once you've done that, right click on that, click on copy, okay, and then go to your email, and when you're sending me an email, just right click again and click paste. So basically copy and paste, and I think you know how to do that. So again, you want to click on this image, just click anywhere on here, so that becomes blue. Right click, copy, and then paste it in your message to me or your email to me, and you will get I will see an actual link. I will actually see this exact link right here. Once I click on that link, this page above here, this chart right here will be very large, clear, crystal clear, just like it was intended to be, and I'll have no problem seeing exactly what you're trying to do. Okay, so this is just a quick short video on, first of all, how to input your text, your other messages, and anything else you want on your chart. Also showing you how to take a screen capture properly, and once I receive the proper link, I'll be able to see your beautiful chart with all the information. You can also in your email just you can also input in your entry, exit, your target, maybe a couple of brief notes on why you took the trade, and so on and so forth. And once I receive it, I'll be able to analyze it and then give you the proper feedback. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is how I would do it. There are other ways to do screen captures, but this is probably one of the best and easiest ways. So take care, happy trading, and looking forward to all your charts that you would be sending me for further analysis. Okay, take care. Bye for now.